In our example, we see that we are given both pieces of information for the perchloric acid. So this would be our substance 1 in the solution stoichiometry. And we're trying to calculate something about the sodium hydroxide. So this will be our substance 2. We're trying to calculate the volume of NaOH in milliliters. We know we're going to need a stoich step, which involves using the balanced chemical equation. And because we're given solution data for both substances, we'll have to use our molarity and our volume to get to moles. First, we need to make sure that we convert our volume to liters. So for the perchloric acid, I have 15 milliliters. We're going to use the shortcut, which is just to shift the decimal point. So we shift it 1, 2, 3. That's going to give us a volume of 0.01500 liters of solution. And this is for the perchloric acid. Be very careful here not to mix up which data goes with which substance. Okay, so now we have volume in liters and molarity for the perchloric acid. So we have 0.01500 liters of solution times the molarity of the perchloric acid, which is 0.1421 moles HClO4, write it all out, per liter of solution. Liters of solution will cancel. This is solution stoichiometry, so we need a stoich step. So moles of HClO4 will be at the bottom, and moles of NaOH will be at the top. The stoichiometry is 1:1, but we still need to write this down because it gives us the conversion between substance 1 and substance 2. So moles of perchloric acid will cancel, and at this point we have moles of NaOH. So now, this is an example of where we need to flip our molarity upside down so the units cancel. That means the moles of NaOH, part of its molarity, will be in the denominator, and the liters of solution will flip to the top. The number, the value, 0.1002, goes with moles and NaOH in the denominator. So moles of NaOH will cancel, and we're left with liters of the NaOH solution. We'll do our conversion to milliliters with the shortcut in just a little bit. Checking our sig figs, we have 4 sig figs in the first volume, 4 sig figs in the perchloric acid molarity. Stoich is always exact. And we have 4 sig figs in the NaOH molarity. That will give us 4 sig figs in the volume that we calculate. Doing the math, we have 0.01500 times 0.1421 divided by 0.1002. Rounded to 4 sig figs gives us 0.02127 liters of solution. I'll just rewrite that over here, 0.02127 liters. We're going to convert that to milliliters, so we shift the decimal point to the right by 3 places, 1, 2, 3, making sure to keep all appropriate sig figs. And this gives us a final volume of 21.27 milliliters of the NaOH solution.